Hyderabad. This is Pravallika from Mirrors Luxury Salons. So today I'm here at the Descents Patola exhibition, which is happening opposite Taj Krishna, Banjara Hills Road number 1 from at Labels pop-up space from 15th to 20th September. So please do visit here. ఇక్కడ మనకి చాలా కలెక్షన్ ఉంది హ్యాండ్లూమ్స్ది స్టార్టింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్లీ ఫ్రమ్ పటోలా బనారసి కాంజీవరం అండ్ కాంతా సిల్క్స్ బాంధని అండ్ సో మెనీ మోర్ హియర్ chicken curry as well and they have a beautiful collection asala patola aithe ekkada city lo lenanta collection undi ikkada man daggara please do visit this space I'm sure you love all their collection all the different weaves and support the handloom weaves as well thank you
Hello Hyderabad and Descents Patola is organizing an event in Labels pop-up space Banjara Hills Road number 1 opposite to Taj Krishna and he is the owner of the Descents Patola art and he is Bhavin Makwana and we have lot of handlooms here like Patola exclusively and Bandhani, Banaras, Kanjivaram and kota zari and chicken curry and kanta zari and we have all handloom products here in our space, one space and please do come visit from 15th September to 20th September and thank you.